In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide formulas in Google Sheets. This is a useful skill when you want to share a spreadsheet without revealing your hard work or intricate calculations behind the scenes. Whether you're protecting sensitive data or simply ensuring a polished presentation, hiding formulas can be both practical and thoughtful. Let's begin by opening your Google Sheets and locating the spreadsheet you want to modify. Once you've got your sheet open, you'll want to identify the specific cells or range of cells containing the formulas you wish to hide. This could be a single cell or a range spanning multiple rows and columns, depending on your needs. Now, before we dive into the actual hiding of formulas, it's crucial to highlight a key concept that will keep your data safe: cell protection. By default, Google Sheets allows editing across its cells, which means anyone with editing access can see your formulas. That's why protecting cells is an essential step in hiding your formulas. Next, we're going to enable the option to protect the sheets and ranges. Click on Data in the top menu, and from the drop-down menu, select Protected Sheets and Ranges. A panel will open up on the right side of your screen. Here, click the plus Add a Sheet or Range button. You'll need to select Range and specify the cells you wish to protect. If you've already chosen your cell range earlier, you can enter it here or use the grid to select it. Once you've set the range, you have the option to add a description. While this step is not mandatory, it's useful if you're dealing with numerous protected ranges and need a quick reference. After entering a description, click Set Permissions. The permission dialog will pop up, giving you control over who can edit the protected range. By default, only you can edit it. If you're collaborating with others and want them to view but not edit the formulas, ensure that you are the only user selected under Restrict who can edit this range. You may further customize access by adding specific users and permitting them to edit if needed. After setting your permissions, click Done to apply these changes. This step effectively locks those cells, so even if someone with viewing access tries to view the formula, they'll be unable to do so without permission. To check if the process has been successful, attempt to select one of the protected cells and check if the formula bar is empty. You should be unable to view the formula unless you have the permissions you set before. Congratulations, you've successfully hidden your formulas in Google Sheets. Remember, the key here lies in controlling permissions and understanding the balance between sharing your spreadsheet and protecting the sensitive or intricate parts within it. With this knowledge, you can confidently share your Google Sheet, knowing your formulas are safely hidden away. Thank you for watching and happy spreadsheeting.